Welcome to sickmouse.co.uk, where you can find lots of free maths videos. This video is about using the cosine rule. Let's go over to this triangle, a triangle similar to which you'll get in the formula sheet in the GCSE maths, okay, but not in the maths A level. Now, what you see is that you've got a triangle that looks roughly like this in the GCSE maths formula sheet, and you have capital A, B and C which represent the angles, and small a, B and C which represent the sides of the triangle. And the way it's laid out is the small a should be opposite the big A, the small b opposite the big B, and the small c opposite the big C. Okay, that's important because you have to pick the right sides in this formula when you're applying it. Now, the most important one that you have to take care of is the side you're working out has to be opposite the given angle. Okay, so that side is the side opposite the angle you're given, which we call angle A. And the formula is pretty straightforward after that. A squared equals B squared plus C squared. That's just the other two sides squared and added together. And then take away 2 times B times C times cos the angle you're given, which is just this formula there. Let's do a quick example of it. So here's the side opposite the angles, so that's going to be equivalent to my A. So I'm going to say A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 times 20 times 25 times cos 30. It doesn't matter if I call this one B or if I call that one B, yeah, because B and C are interchangeable. Anyway, once I've done that line, yeah, which is the, what I just read out, so that gives you what x squared is equal to. X squared equals 158.97, so therefore x is the square root of that, which is 12.6, to one decimal place. Now, that's working out a side. If you want to work out an angle, although you're given this formula in the formula sheet, you won't be given this one. You have to rearrange this to get to this, and it's fairly easy. Imagine this to be one big blob there, minus TBC cos A. Take that minus TBC cos A to the other side, it becomes a plus TBC cos A, and that A squared, take it to the other side, it becomes a minus A squared. So effectively I've swapped this around with that A squared. So now I've got 2bc cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared, and then take the 2bc times cos A, so the 2bc to the other side, it becomes a divide by 2bc. So now I've got cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared, all divided by 2bc. So let's quickly apply that. Here's my A, which is opposite the angle, so remember that A is doing the taking away bit. Yeah, the rest is easy to remember. So I say cos y is equal to 10 squared plus 12 squared minus 11 squared, the side opposite the angle, all divided by 2 times 10 times 12. So anyway, that gives me what cos y is equal to, which is 0.625, and to work out what y is, I just use the inverse cos button, yeah, on 0.65, and it gives me the actual angle.